escaping trouble, understanding, get out of hot water. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, get out of hot water. It's a phrase you might have heard in movies, books, or even in casual conversations. But what does it really mean? And how can you use it in your daily English communication? Let's find out together. Get out of hot water is an idiomatic expression that means to escape from trouble or a difficult situation. Imagine accidentally stepping into a hot bath and the immediate need to jump out. That's the kind of urgency and relief this phrase conveys. It's used when someone finds a way to resolve a problem or avoid consequences that could have been unpleasant. The phrase, get out of hot water, has its roots in a metaphor that likens trouble to a hot, uncomfortable situation. The exact origin isn't clear, but it's been a part of the English language for centuries, evolving over time. It captures the idea of finding oneself in an undesirable position, the hot water, and then managing to get out of it. To help you understand how to use get out of hot water in conversation, here are a few examples. After apologizing and promising to do better, Mark finally got out of hot water with his teacher. I was in hot water with my parents for coming home late, but I managed to get out of it by explaining the train was delayed. These examples show the phrase can be used in various contexts, from formal apologies to explaining oneself to authority figures. Here are a few tips for using get out of hot water. 1. Context is key. This phrase is best used in informal situations or storytelling. 2. Pair with actions. Often, it involves an action or explanation that resolves the issue. 3. Emphasize relief. It conveys a sense of relief from escaping trouble, so it's great for ending stories on a positive note. We hope this video has shed some light on the interesting phrase, get out of hot water, and that you're now more comfortable using it in your English conversations. Remember, idioms like this one can add color and depth to your language, making your communication more engaging. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.